This is David, the leader of CICADA. It appears that my speech the other day had some effect. I am speaking out today on behalf of the Ukrainian government and the people who live there. I talked about hatred and how GLADAMERE hates Ukraine and Joe. During my conversations with him, and from what the general told me, he is basically a very nice person who is being betrayed by the press, circumstance of war, and propaganda. Political leaders have to do things that they don't want to do. They might look cruel and evil when it's just protecting their people. To the Ukrainian government, I am sure that you think that your system is the correct one, but at the same time, you have had to do the same process that GLADAMERE had to do. That is why you fear him, like GLADAMERE has misgivings about you. When you have power, you are always greedy and want more. That is the way of the human race. We are always concerned with each other's government. I propose a temporary truce between your governments. The true enemy is Joe. The United States is a great place to be with honest, hard-working people who care. However, it's the government which is crooked and evil. You need to join forces to stop Joe. Joe is an old, corrupt, evil man who only cares about his own personal gain. He does not have much longer to live, and he would like nothing better than to go out with a bang. He has destroyed many times and will not hesitate in doing it again and again. The proof of this is his statement to GLADAMERE. He moved 10,000 troops to protect Ukraine and to warn GLADAMERE if he attacks that he would interfere. He stated that if one Ukrainian person would die, it would be an attack on all Ukrainians. He stated this because he knows that sooner or later other neutral organizations would love to interfere with that. The organizations would attack in hopes of creating World War III, since they know Joe would not hesitate to launch nuclear weapons. We need to form a temporary truce and stop Joe from attacking before it is too late. Joe is close to dying. His health is very bad. There is nothing worse than a man in pain that has hatred towards the world. Our organization is a neutral party, and we speak only the truth without taking sides. GLADAMERE understands who and what we are. We are only here to help. This is a crisis, and we need to join forces to conquer and put an end to the hatred and violence of this world. We need to put an end to Joe and put him out of office and power before it is too late. This has been an announcement from CICADA3301. Thank you.